Welcome to Keto Lab's How-To series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to work with Databricks magic commands. These special commands, prefixed with a single or double percentage sign, help us switch between languages, perform specific tasks, and access extra functionality within our notebook. Let's sign into Databricks and get started. By default, Databricks notebooks use Python. Let's start by running the first command using Python. Now we'll demonstrate a few more commands in different languages using magic commands. For each, follow the steps as shown on the screen. Let's run an SQL command. To run SQL queries, simply use the %SQL command, which allows us to interact with our SQL database directly from the notebook. Next, let's use the %Scala command, which allows us to execute Scala code within our notebook. Now let's explore the %MD command, used to write Markdown content for documentation or notes. This command lets us format text, create lists, and even include links. Next, let's use the %sh command, which allows us to run shell commands directly from our notebook, making it easy to perform system-level operations. Following this, let's try the %fs command. This command lets us interact with the Databricks file system, useful for managing data files within Databricks. Let's continue with the %lsmagic command, which displays a list of all available magic commands. This is useful for discovering additional commands we can use in our Databricks environment. Now let's use the %who command. With this, we can view a list of all currently defined variables in our notebook, particularly helpful for tracking variables as we work through different sections of code. Next, we'll use the %env command, which allows us to access or set environment variables directly in our notebook. This can be helpful for configuring settings or securely storing credentials. Finally, let's use the %run command, which enables us to execute another notebook or script within our current notebook. This is helpful for modularizing code and reusing workflows. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.